Hello guys, this is Tracy and this is not the Easter dinner you would usually think of having. I'm going to do Olive Garden Alfredo sauce. I did a video yesterday, just a quick little one to wish you a happy Sunday. And I did say I would do this Olive Garden Alfredo sauce. Now I do mine a little bit different because I do a smaller portion. This is for a huge portion. We do it smaller. I'll lower you down and we will start cooking. Now I notice Paula Dean has got a channel going here. I was really surprised to see it. Oh, let me grab a hot mint. I also have rolls going. I'm not really going to do much with those because I got it made because I wanted to focus on this for today. Now in my little teacup here I have garlic powder, salt, pepper. That's it. I got a stick of butter. It costs for a pound, but like I said, we're not doing a great big thing, okay? Really, we're not. Since I'm not doing a great deal of, I'm not going to use milk. I'm going to use half and half. I'm going to use a quart of half and half and 2 and 8 ounces of milk. Heavy cream. You got to get this. Now, I don't have fontina cheese. I'm making this with what I have, not what I want. So I use cream cheese in its place. And honestly, you cannot tell the difference. I got my water going, the pasta. And yeah, I have some ready to be used. Now, this is a recipe that can be easily adapted. You can change it up. You could use, if you only have like a quart of heavy cream, maybe 8 ounces of half and half or regular milk, you can totally do that. I have, to be honest with you. I was going to do some deviled eggs. My eggs went bad because I lost track of them. Alright, let's see here. I have to pull the rolls out real quick. I just got the regular Kroger roll, garlic Parmesan nuts. Will you turn that off, please, Miha? Done. That's coming together. No, don't worry about it right now. Always a battle getting into these things. They used to be so much easier to get into. Then some people started licking ice cream and putting lids back on it, which caused this. Whoa, hello. Yeah, this isn't Food Network, people. I'm not a professional by any means. I am your home cook. I'm going to get this going. I'm going to put my spoon here. Put the cream cheese in. That'll give it a nice creaminess that the fontina would usually give it. Fontina cheese can be expensive. I mean, super crazy expensive. And I'm not going back out to the store for 2 or 3 days if I don't have to. And Michigan's actually under one of those stay-at-home orders. We don't have to get out. Don't. Well, newsflash, we have a dog, therefore we have to get out and walking. And we already did that. Now the reason my cream cheese looks so strange is because I freeze it. I'll get it in a bunch. I can get a real good deal on it. And then I'll freeze it till I need it. It's perfectly fine. The food police aren't going to roll up to your house and scream at you. Nothing would do any good around here because I'd just yell back. You get that melted. Try to do like figure 8 if you can. Now there's 2 ways you can make this sauce. You can make it like this, or you could take like a tablespoon of flour, tablespoon of butter, and you can make a white sauce and then add in the Parmesan cheese, the garlic, salt, and pepper, and then there's your sauce. That actually, I've used it that way in lasagna, and oh my god, it holds up better than this way does. Now this is not your everyday Wednesday night Alfredo sauce, without a doubt. Definitely not. Now I have exactly enough Parmesan in here. Oh, great. Alright, I'm going to let this bubble and boil for a little bit. Now I'll bring you back. Alright guys, this is what you're going to get. Now it's going to thicken a little bit more, but I want to show you how absolutely delicious this is. Take a little piece of bread and oh my god. And of course we have the official quality control manager here, Sarge. And so he is the quality control manager around here. Cool it off a little bit. What do you think, Sarge? This is Tracy from Scratch Cooking, Sarge from Quality Control, and we'll see you tomorrow.